So let's answer this question. Is it worth upgrading to the Mini 3 or not? What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. DJI just released their brand new DJI Mini 3, the new entry-level drone from DJI, and it looks awesome. What I started to wonder was, should I upgrade to the Mini 3? I wanted to break down for you some of my thoughts and weigh up if it's actually worth doing or not. DJI has done a fantastic job with creating drones that are user-friendly, beginner-friendly, and not only that, a trusted drone that you can put up in the air and get amazing flight time from, not to mention the quality of video and photos that you can take. You got pro-level creators that are taking these drones and doing amazing things with them. So it's no surprise that they continue to push out these drones, because for the price of what an action camera would cost you, you get an amazing piece of hardware that you get to have a lot of fun with, but also create perspectives and images and videos that you just can't capture from any other piece of equipment. In terms of the size and weight, the DJI Mini 3 is comparatively weighted as the Mini 2. It comes in at 249 grams, which I always like the sound of, because as someone who flies in the excluded subcategory of drones, meaning I don't need to have a drone pilot license here in Australia, it's always nice to see DJI continue to push the boundary and keep making improvements to their entry-level drones that allow genuine hobbyists like yourself and me and pro-level creators not to have to jump through a million hoops to actually fly these legally in your country. The other improvement they've made on the standard batteries, now you get 38 minutes of flight time. Now 38 minutes is based on the environment you're flying in. So if you're shooting in 4K and up to 30 frames per second, which this camera is capable of doing on the new Mini 3, then you will probably have varying levels of battery life. Also, the wind and how fast and what mode you're actually flying the drone in will impact that. But 38 minutes is an amazing flight time to get out of one standard battery. Now in comparison to the Mini 2, the Mini 2 is about a 31-minute flight time. So that is a definite improvement of battery efficiency from the Mini 2 drone up to the Mini 3. The Mini 3 can also record in 4K HDR. From some of the images and videos that I've seen, it is a stark improvement from the Mini 2 drone. My community and the people that follow me on YouTube, which if you haven't done so, please make sure to subscribe to the channel so you get more videos like this. A lot of my community love the Mini 2 and swear by it. Although I don't think the Mini 2 disappears off the market completely, I think we're starting to see the beginning of the end for the Mini 2. The Mini 3 does have a larger sensor, so your video is always naturally going to improve because of that. It has the same sensor as the Mini 3 Pro, so therefore your picture and video quality was definitely going to improve. The other thing I do like about the Mini 3 is that you can shoot in vertical mode as well as horizontal and landscape. So if you're someone that likes to take videos for social media or YouTube Shorts, for example, and create pieces of content that are going to truly capture your audience's attention, the Mini 3 allows you to do that, in comparison to the Mini 2, where your gimbal could only move up or down. So as you can see, the Mini 3 does seem feature packed, and it does look like quite a big upgrade from the Mini 2 when you look at it on paper. A couple of things I was surprised not to see with this release is that DJI decided to leave Active Track out of this drone's feature set. Active Track allows you to simply select a subject and you could leave the drone to track and follow you around wherever you're going. That was one feature that I would love to have and incorporate into my pieces of content and the videos that I'm capturing. I'm really surprised not to see this in DJI's Mini 3, their brand new drone. From their perspective, I guess they're thinking about the beginner level drone pilot who is just starting to get into drones. Probably not the necessity or the need just yet for them to have Active Track enabled, and if they did want that, they'd have to upgrade all the way to the Mini 3 Pro. So I can see why they would have left it out. For me, simply I want to upgrade my drone at the lowest cost to try to get as much features as I can. The other thing I found really surprising, on the Mini 2 there were no obstacle avoidance sensors, so I would have thought that the new entry-level drone would have at least had that. I think that would have been really helpful for beginner drone pilots and people just getting into drones. DJI has chosen to leave them out. And if you do want the obstacle avoidance, you'll need to again upgrade to the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Finally, let's talk about price. Now, the DJI Mini 2 came in at 749 Australian dollars. To upgrade from the Mini 2 to the Mini 3, it's going to cost you about $849. So there is a little price increase. Now, if you want the Fly More combo or the DJI RC, then it's going to cost you a little bit more. So let's answer this question. Is it worth upgrading to the Mini 3 or not? And the short answer is yes. I can see some noticeable differences, not only in flight time, but video quality from all the images and videos that I've seen so far. What it does come down to is, should you go for the Mini 3 or the Mini 3 Pro? Because it is important to know what you're going to be using the drone for. And if it is for adventure style videos, you may not want the price tag that the Mini 3 Pro carries, and you may want to hang on to your original controller. And that's totally fine. If you want to do that, then go ahead and grab the Mini 3, which I think is going to make for a fantastic drone. I'm still really happy with my Mini 2. I think it is an awesome drone. If you're someone that is in the market for a Christmas gift or want to put something on your wish list if you're new to drones, then I definitely recommend the Mini 3. I think DJI continues to push the boundaries and create awesome pieces of technology for us. That's all I got for you today. If you're interested in purchasing a Mini 3 for yourself or someone that you love during this Christmas period, then affiliate links will be in the description. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you got some value out of it. And if you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And more importantly, I wish you a very Merry Christmas. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.